In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set circular picture callout in Excel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean circular photo with a connected callout ready for a label or short note, perfect for dashboards, team directories, or any report where you want an image to stand out with context. I'll keep this simple and focused, and we'll assume you already have a picture placed in your worksheet. Start by selecting the picture you want to feature. A quick single click is all it takes. When the image is selected, you'll see the sizing handles appear around it, and Excel will reveal the Picture Format tab along the ribbon at the top. If you don't see that tab, it usually means the image isn't actually selected yet. Make sure the border and handles are visible so the right tools are available. With the picture selected, go to the Picture Format tab and find the Picture Layout button. Depending on your Excel version, it may sit inside a group labeled Smart Art Styles or Picture Styles. This button opens a gallery of predefined layouts designed specifically for images, allowing you to transform a plain picture into a polished visual element in one click. The gallery provides a live preview of how your photo will be presented, which can be helpful as you explore options. From that gallery, choose Circular Picture Callout. Look for the thumbnail that shows a circular image paired with a connected callout shape. Once you click it, Excel instantly applies the layout. Your photo is placed inside a circular frame, and a callout shape is created alongside it, linked visually to the image. The style will pick up your current workbook theme, so colors and fonts feel consistent with the rest of your sheet. You may notice that the image is masked to fit the circle. Excel handles that automatically so the edges are clean and uniform. At this point, you'll see the callout area ready to hold a short title or note. The circular frame makes faces, logos, or product shots look intentional and balanced, especially when aligning several of them on a page. If your image was very wide or very tall, the circle focuses on the center, which is ideal for most subjects. Also keep in mind that the exact label for this layout can vary slightly by version, but the circular callout option is typically grouped with the other picture layouts in the same gallery. And that's all there is to it. Click the picture, click Picture Layout, then choose Circular Picture Callout. Simple, fast, and professional.